doing an unboxing from Printful. It took about a week to get to my house, and I'm going to see the quality of the prints. All right, so let's open it and see how they turned out. Do people still do unboxing videos? And excuse my house because this room needs to be demolished still. This one was the heavy duty sweater, I think, or was the other one? I thought this one was. Maybe it's not. So this one, it's okay. It looks a little custom faded. But this one, I designed this one on my silhouette, and I did do the vinyl on my t-shirts. And I took the same design and I put it on a sweater, so. It looks okay. Can we see that? All right, let's see, this was the t-shirt I did. Wow, the t-shirt's really small for a large. Is this a large for a kid? But it's cute. It says, save a house, make a ghost happy. And then it has my website on it. It's supposed to be a large woman's, I would assume. That is tiny. I am not wearing a crop top. I have big boobies, and I don't know about that one. It's pretty small. It's cute though. Let's hold this up so you can see it. It is tiny. I don't know. I guess if you didn't have the big chest, it might be okay. I don't know. I just don't like how small, like I thought it would look a lot bigger, but my gross box art. Maybe this one's the heavy. This one might be the heavy duty one. It says, warning, may talk about old houses constantly, and then it has the website, and it has a picture of that second Empire house we're trying to save. And this one's in Dusty Rose. I'm hoping you can see this one. That one looks a little huge, actually. Okay, this is just crazy. So maybe order a size smaller, because that's kind of big. This is kind of small. Oh my goodness. That one's actually kind of big for a medium, I think is what I bought. I don't remember what color that is. But they look okay. We'll wash them and see what happens when we wash them, because that's the true test. Because last time I bought a sweater for my son and the images just washed off. So I might take these print ideas to the local print shop that's here, and then have them print them, because I'd rather support a local business than some chain store, which I'm barely getting anything from, from it. So they're making most of the profit off of my designs. Kind of wish this was a bit bigger though, but it's hard to tell when you're on a computer monitor just what it's gonna look like until you actually see it. But this is kind of huge. Maybe my husband will wear it. It's a little too pinky, I think, though, for him, but he'd probably wear it. He doesn't care. Yeah, so I'll put this online, and my website is endangeredplaces.org, and you can buy some clothing items that I designed off of that, and help support my nonprofit, because I'm trying to save old houses from being torn down and flipped and whatnot. So I will upload this and hopefully it turns out okay. Thanks for watching.